Hey there, pioneers! Here's how to bioscan the Hoverthorn in Subnautica 2. Bioscanning the Hoverthorn unlocks the Threat Sense passive biomod, which lets you detect nearby threats. Before heading out, make sure you have a bioscanner, since it's required to unlock the biomod's full effect. You'll also need to reach the alien ruins, located about 1,040 meters east of your life pod. Once you arrive at the alien ruins, simply swim around the main tower until you spot these small fish with blue thorn-like tails. Those are the Hoverthorns. They're generally harmless and won't attack, making them one of the easiest creatures to bioscan. After completing the scan, return to your base and interact with your biolab to view or equip your newly unlocked Threat Sense biomod. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by and see you in the next side quest.